Yo, what's up, people? 1234B back again. Just gonna be an unboxing video from Sproing, excuse me, from sproing09. I just got a package in today. Not today, I should say yesterday, cause it's 12 a.m. Central. Yeah, I just got off from work, so you can see just the package that she sent me up, whatever. Do an unboxing right quick for you. It's kind of hard doing it one hand holding it into the monitor, but okay, I got the box almost open. And yep, here it is. Ray Kings, Zephyr Snapback. See, brand new with tags. Green under brim. Got the Kings right there on the back. Got the Z tag and the Z sticker. The dual color snap. Silver and the black. Zephyr, you can tell you already know how it goes. Zephyr in the NHL on the other side. Square brim. Yeah, I'm real pleased with that. I've been wanting to get me a Kings snap for the longest. I mean a Kings one with the actual big logo like this. I have a A&M snap like this in the same style or whatever as Zephyr. But that was my unboxing from sproing09. Shouts out to her. Go subscribe to her channel. Check out her videos. She has some stuff on her videos and stuff on her page that's cheap or whatever. It's very cheap and it's real good quality stuff. So check out her page or whatever. Subscribe to her and comment, rate, subscribe on this channel as well. 12 week 34B out.